So we're doing the CO2 laser, and we call it here the CoolPeel. The CoolPeel can address lines, wrinkles, texture, hyperpigmentation. But for my client, she has nice young skin. We're just gonna work on some pigment, kind of even out her skin tone, and that's about it. Now, what I like about this is her first time. She's gonna have fun. She's been waiting to have this done. My client already had her numbing. We did a topical numbing for 30 minutes, and now we're just wiping it off, making sure it is all off the skin. So what the CoolPeel does is it burns off the dead skin. And through the 7 days, you will go through different phases where you're gonna feel a little very gritty. You can still go outside, you can still go to Giant and Safeway and everything, but you will feel the texture, but nobody can see it, so that's the good thing. So I'm just gonna put on, this is the PCA lip mask first, because her lip gloss was popping, but we accidentally took it off with all the rubbing that we did from the numbing and everything else. So I'm just add that moisture back in. There we go. And again, with this handpiece, you guys, you can change from circle to any shape that you need to get that area. All right, so how are you feeling?
I feel great. I feel totally numb, I think.
Okay, good, good, good. All right, so we're going to begin.
I don't feel anything. That's crazy.
I know. All right, now I'm just gonna switch sides. This is a quick procedure. We're already halfway done doing her face.
Hey there. I know you can't see me, but it's right here.
Yeah. Hi, nice to meet you, I'm Emily.
Hey, I am Emily.
Are on Instagram, so you can get a nice visual of all the things that we do here. And Instagram is also a place where I upload my great videos and some client testimonials, and you'll see a lot of good things on there as well. All right, thank you. Bye, guys.